Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for a review. And in today's video we are going to review the dairy-free coconut milk yogurt from Epigamia. This is the first dairy-free yogurt that I'm going to taste and review today. So here is the product. This is Epigamia's dairy-free coconut milk yogurt alternative with coconut jaggery. So basically this is a product which is like yogurt for people who are lactose intolerant or for vegans. Like vegans do not consume milk products, so they can go for the coconut milk yogurt here, which is a yogurt alternative here. It's from Epigamia, and this is a product we are going to review in today's video. So let's start off with the video. First of all, let's talk about the who would want to try the coconut milk yogurt. Basically people who are lactose intolerant, who can't have dairy, and they feel like enjoying a cup of yogurt. This is for y'all. This is from Epigamia, dairy free yogurt alternative made from coconut milk and coconut jaggery. So this is an amazing product. I feel like a very nice invention. Let's go ahead with the review of the product. So it comes like all other flavored yogurts from Epigamia. It comes in a small pack here, like a small tin. Here we have like a small box here. So right here we have the Epigamia branding. Right on top is the Epigamia branding. Then the name of the product, which is coconut milk yogurt alternative. It is dairy free. It's mentioned here that it is dairy free. Then they have shown an illustration of the coconut and the jaggery here. This coconut shown and the coconut jaggery shown beside it. Here it's mentioned that it comes with coconut jaggery in it. Then they have a message here: for the love of plants. Our relationship with plants has been a long and fruitful one. Before we became this urban society, we were hanging out on treetops trying to satisfy our hunger. Although times have changed, our love for plants hasn't. Epigamia introduces a range of 100% vegan and dairy-free yogurts, a perfect balance of health and taste. So this is their first dairy-free yogurt. The net quantity of this Epigamia coconut milk yogurt alternative is 90 grams, and it is priced at ₹70. So this coconut milk yogurt alternative is priced at ₹70 for 90 grams, which is quite high compared to the other yogurt variants from Epigamia. The Greek yogurt variants from Epigamia cost you around ₹40 to ₹50, between that range, but the coconut milk yogurt alternative is premiumly priced at ₹70. Then here we have the nutritional facts mentioned about the Epigamia coconut free yogurt. So this 90 gram pack per 100 gram serving will give you 187 grams of energy. It has 14 grams of fat, of which 11 grams are saturated fat, which are good. Total carbohydrates are 14 grams, of which 9.5 grams are sugar, 1.5 gram is natural sugar. Out of 9.5 gram, 1.5 gram is natural sugar, and 8 grams are added sugars. Okay. Sodium is 7.1 milligram and protein is 1.4 grams in every 100 grams. This is a coconut milk yogurt, and there are active cultures. There's 1% active culture in it. They are mentioned it here. It is 100% plant based, so it is completely vegan. Moving on, they are giving the different licensing numbers here, FSSAI logo here, license numbers, a pure vegetarian symbol here for MRP and expiry look on top. Okay. So again, this yogurt again has a 15-20 days expiry, 15 to 20 days expiry. So shelf life of 15 to 20 days. So this is the coconut milk yogurt from Epigamia, and today we are going to review it. So let's go ahead and open the packet to see how does the coconut milk yogurt look. So it has a brownish chocolatey color to it. I think that is because of the Coconut Jaggery, which is brown in color, so it has a brownish color to it. So you can see this, it has a brownish color. And let's go ahead and do, it has a coconutty aroma to it. If you sniff it, you clearly get a coconutty aroma to it, the coconut smell to it. Let's go ahead and taste and see. So here we go. This is the Epigamia Coconut Milk Yogurt alternative. It's 100% vegan, and here it goes. This is a taste test for it. It has a coconutty flavor to it. Creamy like yogurt, but not actually yogurt. You won't find it to taste like yogurt. It tastes more like coconut cream than yogurt. I didn't like it personally because it has that coconutty aftertaste to it. So let me taste one more. It has that coconutty aftertaste to it, which I don't like. So if people prefer coconut, they might like it. People who love coconut, love having dry coconut, they might like the Epigamia Coconut Milk Yogurt. But me personally, I am not a big fan of coconuts, so I didn't like the flavor of it because it's leaving that aftertaste of coconut in it. So I think that was, I had expected it to have that coconutty taste. It's not that I didn't expect it to have a coconut taste of coconut, but yeah. So this is a coconut flavored, made from coconut milk and coconut jaggery, dairy-free yogurt from Epigamia. So people who like coconut can definitely try it. Vegans, this is an yogurt alternative for y'all. So if y'all are looking for yogurt alternatives, this is what you should try. And people who just like plain yogurt and curd, don't try it. Y'all might not like it because it gives that coconut aftertaste to it. But if y'all love coconut, y'all can go ahead and try that. So overall, I feel the taste is nice. It's not bad. But since personally I do not like coconut, so I didn't like it. Price wise, I feel its price a bit high at rupees 70, rupees 50, 40, 50, in that range for Epigamia is good, but rupees 70 is a bit high for a 90-gram pack. Yeah, overall packaging is good. It has a good shelf life of 15 to 20 days, so that's not even a problem. So overall, I think if you think of it from a vegan perspective, it's a good alternative. Like if they want to enjoy, say, ice creams and stuff, this is what they can try, like a healthier version of an ice cream which is completely dairy free, so which is good. So yeah, that's my review of the Epigamia Coconut Milk Yogurt alternative. So do let me know if you all have tried it. Do let me know your views on the same in the comment section below. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.